Today we learn how to upload the program of Mitsubishi HMI A900 and about its data cable connection and its software. First of all, we can see the HMI to PLC connection diagram on our computer screen in which the PC to HMI cable connection is clearly visible. To make a PC to HMI cable, we will use a DB9 connector, and on both sides a female DB9 connector will be used on PC side and a female DB9 connector on the HMI side. The software that will be used to upload and download the program will be GT Designer to Classic, and for 32-bit it will be GT Designer Simple, and 64-bit window GT Designer Classic software will be used. First we will configure the communication and set COM port in it. As soon as we have set the COM port, after setting the computer, we have started uploading the program. We can see that our program has started uploading. After the program is uploaded, we will open our uploaded file and check the program. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment.